Shopping at brick-and-mortar stores is nice if you want to see items in person before purchasing them. But how annoying is it when you drive all the way to a store only to discover that they don't have the particular item you were looking for?
Oh no!
How many different stores are you willing to drive to in search of the best price for the item you want? All of this hassle can be avoided by shopping on Amazon.com. You can compare prices from different sellers and have your items delivered straight to your door. In this video, I'll be telling you about what Amazon is and how it works. So let's get started. First off, what exactly is Amazon? Amazon is one of the largest and most popular online marketplaces. Users can buy items from Amazon directly or from third-party sellers through Amazon. Amazon orders are delivered using common courier services worldwide. Amazon also sells its own line of technology products. You've probably heard of their e-reader, Kindle. So how does Amazon work? Well, there are 3 ways to use Amazon. The first is for online shopping. Amazon and its third-party sellers offer a wide variety of items, so chances are you'll find what you're looking for. You can search for items you want to purchase, pick out the ones you like best, and add them to your shopping cart. Once you've added everything you want to buy, start the virtual checkout process, just like if you were at a physical store's checkout counter. Enter all your shipping and billing information to let Amazon know where to send your order and how you want to pay for it. Once you've placed your order, Amazon will send it to your door. The second way to use Amazon is for selling. Amazon allows third parties to sell items using their website. If you're interested in selling a few items or a lot, Amazon can help you do it. You can sell anything from books to electronics to sports equipment. Here's an overview of some of the things you can sell on Amazon. Based on how much you've sold, Amazon will make deposits to your bank account. The third use for Amazon is their technology products. Amazon is now not only just an online marketplace, but also a manufacturer of cutting-edge digital devices and services. Here's an overview of some of their products. Amazon's most well-known product is the Kindle. Kindle is a specialized e-reader that you can use to read books, articles, magazines, or even your local newspaper. Next is the Fire tablet. Amazon's Fire tablet is similar to an iPad. It's designed for entertainment like playing games and watching movies, but you can also use it for emails, creating and sharing Microsoft Office documents, and browsing the internet. Lastly is Fire TV. Fire TV is a box that turns your television into a do-it-all entertainment center. You can use it to watch movies and TV shows using services like Netflix, HBO Go, and YouTube. You can also listen to music and play games. Amazon is great because you can find tons of different items and compare prices to find the best deals. You can have your order delivered straight to your door and track its location during the process. You can also add items to your Amazon wish list to keep an eye on your must-have items. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd click the thumbs up button below.